All right, so let's talk about diffEditor.maxComputationTime. This setting controls the timeout in milliseconds, after which diff computation is cancelled, and you can use 0 for no timeout. So previously this was hard-coded, but now you can actually control it. So the diff editor is this editor right here. So I just have two JSON objects, and you can see that the diff editor is quite granular, right? But if we change this to 1, for example, and we go back there, now it's not so granular, right? It's not providing us with as much detail. And if we keep increasing this value, we will have ever more detail, or you can just use a high number like what was the default, which is 5 seconds, or just, this is in milliseconds by the way, or 0 for no timeout, and diff editor will compute everything until the algorithm is finished computing the differences. Now I would rather leave this setting as 0, and if I do find, and I'm guessing this is going to be pretty rare, a diff that's so big that's going to take a lot of time, I guess I can come here and change this setting, but I don't know, the diff algorithm is fairly fast, so I don't see any problem with leaving this set to 0, and that's what I'm going to do.